Clean air is crucial not only for your long-term well-being, but also for maintaining peak performance during your next outdoor excursion. Air quality monitors are indispensable tools for ensuring that you breathe healthy air. They complement home weather stations seamlessly. If the air in your area or home seems stagnant, musty, or simply not right, it's time to invest in one of the top-rated air monitors. An air quality monitor is a necessity, especially in regions like the United States, Europe, and other polluted cities where monitoring air quality has become standard during dry months. To choose the best air quality monitor for such settings, consider factors such as efficacy, cost, battery life, energy consumption, and whether the monitor can integrate with an app or operates independently. Choosing the right air quality monitor ensures you can maintain a healthy indoor environment wherever your adventures take you. We have compiled a list of the best options available today with these considerations in mind. Here are our top recommendations. Let's explore. All product links are provided in the description. Number 5. IQ Air. IQ Air offers a practical and free air quality monitoring solution that can be accessed with just a smartphone and an internet connection. This platform measures PM 2.5 and ozone levels, providing real-time information on outdoor air quality. This is particularly beneficial for those who spend time outdoors but aren't completely off-grid and prefer not to carry additional gadgets. Compared to traditional air quality monitoring devices, IQ Air has a larger network of monitors, many of which are operated by volunteers in wildfire-prone areas. This extensive network enhances the accuracy of air quality readings, especially in remote areas far from urban centers but close to wildfire zones. By choosing IQ Air, users gain access to precise information about outdoor air quality without the need for additional hardware. It's important to note, however, that IQ Air relies on an internet connection and only measures outdoor air quality. IQ Air provides a valuable tool for monitoring air quality and making informed decisions about outdoor activities. The simplicity and accessibility of IQ Air's free monitoring service make it a convenient choice for anyone concerned about the air they breathe during outdoor adventures or daily activities in areas affected by air pollution. Number 4. Temtop Air Quality Monitor Professional. The Temtop Air Quality Monitor Professional stands out for its ability to provide quick and accurate results without the need for an accompanying app. It features an internal battery that recharges via USB-A and measures PM 2.5 and PM 10 levels, making it an essential tool for monitoring air quality in various environments. This device gives you instant feedback, ensuring you make informed decisions about your outdoor activities. The Temtop monitor responds smoothly to changes in PM 2.5 levels, accurately reflecting increases as atmosphere changes. Its affordability and speed in providing results make it a practical choice for anyone concerned about air quality, especially in areas prone to wildfires or other sources of air pollution. Although it only measures PM levels and lacks an app for data logging, the Temtop Air Quality Monitor Professional excels in delivering fast and reliable air quality readings. It's an affordable and efficient solution for ensuring clean air in both indoor and outdoor settings. Number 3. Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor. The Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor is a budget-friendly option that offers essential features for monitoring air quality without the need for an accompanying app. It includes an internal battery that recharges via USB-A and measures PM 2.5, VOCs, and formaldehyde levels, making it versatile for various air quality concerns. For those primarily concerned with smoke-related air quality issues, the Temtop M10 provides both PM 2.5 and AQI or Air Quality Index measurements. This allows users to monitor not only the specific particle levels, but also get an overall sense of air quality throughout the day. The inclusion of VOCs and formaldehyde measurements adds to its utility, providing a broader spectrum of air quality data. This can be particularly useful for environments where multiple types of pollutants may be present, such as urban areas or homes with frequent use of cleaning products. Despite its affordability and ease of use, the Temtop M10 does have some drawbacks. Its battery life is limited, lasting less than a day on a single charge, which means it needs frequent recharging. The user interface is also clunkier compared to other options, which might make it less intuitive for some users. Additionally, the readings can be inconsistent, often jumping significantly before settling. This fluctuation might be distracting and stressful for users who prefer more stable data presentation. Overall, the Temtop M10 Air Quality Monitor is an affordable and functional choice for basic air quality monitoring. Number 2. Airthings View Plus. The Airthings View Plus is an exceptionally versatile air quality monitor that offers a comprehensive range of features. It can be powered either by batteries or a USB-C connection, making it adaptable to various settings. This device measures temperature, humidity, radon, PM2.5, PM1, CO2, and VOCs, providing an extensive overview of air quality. Its connectivity to a smartphone app allows for detailed data tracking and customization. One of the standout features of the Airthings View Plus is its impressive battery life. While it can be plugged into a wall outlet via a USB-C cord, it also runs on 6AA batteries, which are included. Even after weeks of use without being plugged in, it continues to operate efficiently. This makes it a great option for those who prefer a cordless setup. The Airthings app offers detailed information on various pollutant levels and allows users to customize their monitoring experience. The device itself displays 2 measurements at a time, which can be customized to show the most relevant data. For an overall air quality check, users can either press a hidden button or wave their hand in front of the device, which will indicate any issues with a small black on the screen. Despite its many advantages, the Airthings View Plus does have some drawbacks. It is relatively expensive and has a less intuitive user interface compared to some other models. Additionally, it was slower to detect changes in PM2.5 levels. Overall, the Airthings View Plus is a highly versatile and capable air quality monitor, ideal for those who need comprehensive data and customization options. Its extensive range of measurements, long battery life, and app connectivity make it a powerful tool for monitoring air quality, despite its higher price and slightly slower response time. Number 1. Awair Element. The Awair Element is the best overall air quality monitor because of its ease of use and comprehensive monitoring capabilities. It lacks an internal battery, operating via a USB-C cord, but this doesn't detract from its strong performance. It measures temperature, humidity, CO2, VOCs, and PM2.5, providing a broad spectrum of air quality indicators that are especially relevant for environments like camper vans and cabins. One of the main advantages of the Awair Element is its user-friendly interface. Unlike other monitors where individual measurements must be checked to assess air quality, the Awair Element offers an at-a-glance overview. It provides an overall air quality score, akin to a grade, and a simple bar graph displaying temperature, humidity, CO2, VOCs, and PM2.5 levels. The accompanying smartphone app, which is straightforward to set up, shows detailed percentages and quantities for each measurement, making it easy to monitor both real-time metrics and trends. Despite the necessity to keep it plugged in, the Awair Element excels in delivering timely and accurate air quality readings. It quickly registers changes in PM2.5 levels, second only to the Temtop Air Quality Monitor Professional, and provides a more accurate humidity reading than the Airthings View. This is particularly beneficial for those concerned about mold. Moreover, its energy consumption is minimal, operating at just 1 watt, making it a suitable choice for use with portable power banks during camping trips. Overall, the Awair Element is an excellent air quality monitor that combines simplicity, accuracy, and efficiency. Its ability to provide quick, clear insights into the air quality of your living space makes it a top choice for anyone seeking reliable and easy-to-understand air quality information. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more product recommendations.